A majestic giant, completely consumed by a relentless army of parasites. Endless, agonizing torment with every step. Grinding against solid wood, but their iron grip remains unbroken. Driven to desperation, the giant enters the water. Below the surface, a hidden aquatic alliance awaits. The cleaner fish arrive in their hundreds. With surgical extraction, they tear the parasites away, piece by piece. Beneath the surface, surgical precision removes the invaders, but the sheer volume is overwhelming. Nowhere is safe for the parasites, though their numbers seem endless. The aquatic swarm feasts endlessly, yet the parasite armor holds strong. An ongoing cycle of survival, playing out beneath the gentle currents. An endless feast below the surface, yet the massive swarm of parasites shows no signs of shrinking. Every extraction is precise, but the sheer scale of the infestation remains overwhelming. Two worlds unite in a relentless effort to heal. From the sky, the aerial cavalries to join the feast. They probe the deepest crevices, extracting parasites one by one, yet thousands remain. Delicate extractions bring localized relief, but the heavy burden is far from over. It is a battle of endurance. The giant patiently waits as nature takes its course. Every bite is a small victory against an uncountable enemy. On the surface, the birds work tirelessly, fighting a battle against an uncountable army. A symbiotic partnership that provides comfort, though the burden remains heavy. Caught between two elements, the giant finds a moment of peace amidst the persistent torment. The time in the sanctuary comes to an end, as the Titan prepares to return to the land. A true symbol of endurance, the giant marches onward, forever carrying the wild's heavy burden.